Aloha and welcome to a beautiful April 2024 day here in Kaanapali, Maui. This is Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life Real Estate Brokers and Hawaii Life Vacations, greeting you from the Honua Kai Resort and Spa here on the golden sand shores of North Kaanapali Beach. On the inner courtyard lives residence 825, the Hokulani Tower, a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, panoramic ocean view suite here. Just absolutely spectacular views of the sunset, seasonal whale watching, overlooking the family pool and Duke's Beach House down below. A spacious covered balcony, beautiful Nana wall glass doors, making a seamless transition into the interior as this residence was just very recently refreshed. Dining for 8 here at the dining table, a brand new 85-inch flat screen TV, pull-out sleeper sofa, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, about 1,600 square feet of interior living area. Gorgeous granite slabs, Viking appliances, a well-stocked kitchen, everything that you will need as a home away from home. Check out these views from the kitchen and that just walk in and wow factor. Doesn't get better than that. A well-stocked beach closet. Spectacular ocean views from all of the rooms. This is the standalone primary suite with access out to the lanai by means of these Nana wall doors. Lots of storage space. Beautiful ensuite bathroom, marble flooring, soaking tub, and the walk-in shower. Washer and dryer in residence here on the left closet. The secondary bedroom has just been recently converted into 2 queen beds. So we are definitely able to accommodate larger groups now. Tremendous views from this bedroom. And certainly doesn't feel cramped in any way with the higher ceilings and a fairly large bedroom. Full bath here, 3/4 bath. And then another standalone suite, currently set up as a king, but also can be converted to twin beds upon request. We do have a special comforter cover that will make that king bed nice and comfortable, so you will not feel anything but the sumptuous 550 count Pima cotton linens that we have. The residence was just recently repainted with this beautiful white paint with all of this gorgeous artwork to perfectly complement it. So once again, this has been a tour of Hokulani 825 here at the renowned Honua Kai Resort and Spa in Kaanapali, Maui. This is Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life Vacations. You can find us online at vacations.hawaiilife.com and look for Hokulani 825 at Honua Kai, or just simply inquire with our team at mauivacations.com. at hawaiilife.com. This is Jeremy Stice saying aloha from Hokulani 825 here at Honua Kai.